Welcome children. Exercise 9.2. Verify that the given function is a solution of the corresponding differential equation. Fifth question, y equal to ax. We have to verify that xy dash which is equal to y, in which x is not equal to 0. So the given equation is y equal to ax. We have here x into y dash. So we have to differentiate only once. So y dash which is equal to d by dx of ax. A is constant. So d by dx of x is 1. So a into 1. So y dash is a. Putting the value of y dash and y in the given differential equation. Here LHS is x into y dash. So x into y dash is a. X into a. And RHS is y, which is ax. So LHS equal to RHS. Hence y equal to ax, which is the solution of differential equation xy dash which is equal to y. Sixth one, y equal to x into sin x. Xy dash which is equal to y plus x into root of x square minus y square. So here we have x into y dash. So we have to differentiate this equation only once. So y dash which is equal to x into sin x. So we have to differentiate this using a product rule. So x into d by dx of sin x which is cos x plus sin x into d by dx of x is 1. So we get y dash as x cos x plus sin x. Putting the value of y dash and y in the given differential equation. Here we have xy dash which is equal to y plus x into root of x square minus y square. So LHS is x into y dash, that is x into x cos x plus sin x, which is equal to multiplying x into this terms. So we get x square cos x plus x sin x, which is LHS. So RHS is y plus x into root of x square minus y square. Here we have y as x sin x. So substituting x sin x plus x into root of x square minus y is x sin x. So y square is x square sin square x. So x square sin square x. So x into sin x plus x into root of, taking common x square, we get 1 minus sin square x. So 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. So I am writing this as x into sin x plus x into root of x square cos square x. So taking x square cos square x from root, we get x sin x plus, so square root of x square cos square x is x cos x. So we get x square cos x, which is our RHS. So LHS and RHS are same. Hence we can say that y equal to x sin x is a required solution of the given differential equation xy dash which is equal to y plus x into root of x square minus y square. Seventh one, xy which is equal to log y plus c. We have to find this is the solution of the differential equation. We have to verify that this is the solution of the differential equation y dash which is equal to x square by it's y square by 1 minus xy into xy which is not equal to 1. So the given equation is xy equal to log y plus c. We have to differentiate once. Here we have y dash. So we have to differentiate this once. Differentiating this equation on both the sides with respect to x. Here we have the product of two functions. So we have to use the product rule. So x into y dash plus y into d by dx of x, which is 1, which is equal to d by dx of log y, which is 1 by y into dy by dx. So I am writing dy by dx as y dash plus d by dx of c is 0. So d by dx of any constant which is equal to 0. Hence we have x y dash plus y, which is equal to y dash by y. So cross multiplying this, we get xy y dash plus y square, which is equal to y dash. So we have xy y dash minus y dash, which is equal to minus y square. So combining the first order derivative. Here we can take common y dash into xy minus 1, which is equal to minus y square. Hence we get y dash, which is equal to minus y square by xy minus 1. Otherwise we can write this as just transposing this. So y square by 1 minus x square, which is equal to the given differential equation. So from this we solved the given differential equation. Hence xy, which is equal to log y plus c, which is the required solution of the given differential equation, y dash equal to y square by 1 minus xy. So 8th one, y minus cos y, which is equal to x. We have to verify that this is the solution of the differential equation y into sin y plus cos y plus x into y dash, which is equal to y. The given equation is y minus cos y, which is equal to x. So we have to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx. So otherwise we can say y dash. So differentiating this, we get y dash minus differentiating cos y. So d by dx of cos y is minus sin y. So minus of minus plus sin y into y dash, which is equal to differentiating x, d by dx of x is 1. Here we can take common y dash into 1 plus sin y, which is equal to 1. So y dash is 1 by 1 plus sin y. So we found y dash is 1 by 1 plus sin y. Then we have to substitute this y dash and x in the given differential equations. So LHS is y into sin y plus cos y plus x into y dash. So y is like y sin y plus cos y plus have to substitute x is y minus cos y. So y minus cos y into y dash is 1 by 1 plus sin y. So into 1 by 1 plus sin y. So plus cos y and minus cos y will get cancelled. Then we can take this y as common. So y into 1 plus sin y into 1 by 1 plus sin y. So cancelling this, we get y. So which is our right hand side. So which is equal to RHS. So we say that y minus cos y, which is equal to x, is the solution of differential equation y sin y plus cos y plus x into y dash, which is equal to y. 9th question, x plus y, which is equal to tan inverse of y. The differential equation is y square y dash plus y square plus 1, which is equal to 0. Here the given equation is x plus y equal to tan inverse of y. We have to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we get, differentiating this, we get 1 plus differentiating y, we get y dash, which is equal to d by dx of tan inverse of y, which is 1 by 1 plus y square into y dash. So cross multiplying this, we get 1 plus y square into 1 plus 1 plus y square into y dash, which is equal to y dash. So 1 plus y square plus 1 into y dash plus y square into y dash, which is equal to y dash. So 1 plus y square plus y dash plus y square y dash minus y dash, which is equal to 0. So cancelling this, we get y dash y square plus y square plus 1 equal to 0, which is our differential equation, which is equal to the given differential equation. So in some questions we used to substitute this y dash value in the differential equation, and in some questions it's directly equal to the given differential equation. Hence x plus y, which is equal to tan inverse of y, which is the required solution of the given differential equation. 10th one, y equal to root of a square minus x square, x belongs to minus a comma a, x plus y into dy by dx, which is equal to 0 where y is not equal to 0. The given equation is y equal to root of a square minus x square, x belongs to minus a comma a. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx, which is equal to, so writing this, a square minus x square whole power half. So differentiating this, we get half of a square minus x square, half minus 1 into d by dx of minus x square, which is minus 2x, which is equal to 1 by 2. We get half minus 1 is minus half. So when it comes to the denominator, it will become plus half. So 1 by root of a square minus x square into minus 2x. So a square minus x square whole power half is root of a square minus x square. So cancelling 2, we get minus x by root of a square minus x square. Putting the value of dy by dx and y in the given differential equation, here we get, so LHS is x plus dy by dx. So we have x plus dy by dx is minus x by root of a square minus x square. So minus x by root of a square minus x square. Then into y. Here it is x plus y into dy by dx. So into y. Y is root of x square minus a square minus x square. So cancelling this, then we have x minus x, which is equal to 0, which is our RHS. Hence we say that y equal to root of a square minus x square is a solution of differential equation x plus y into dy by dx, which is equal to 0. 11th one, 11 and 12 are MCQ questions. The number of arbitrary constants in the general solution of a differential equation of 4th order. So the number of arbitrary constants, which is equal to the order of differential equation. Here the order is 4th order. So in the general solutions with the arbitrary constants of a differential equation, which is 4. So number of arbitrary constant, which is equal to the order of the differential equation. Here we have fourth order of differential equations. So option D is correct, which is 4. Then 13th one, the number of arbitrary constants in the particular solution of a differential equation of third order. We know that the particular solution of a differential equation, does not have any constant. So it is 0. Hence, the correct answer is D, which is 0.